Okay, here we are for our final transposition SOLA task. I've printed it off as with all the others before. That's what you need to do. Find the task, print it off. Now, this time it says we need to transpose down a minor third. Now we can count in thirds, that's not a problem. If we start with the note E, E is 1, D would be 2, C would be 3. So E down to C gives us our third. That's easy enough. Let's do it from the note C. C is 1, come down to B, which is below, that's number 2, come down another time, which is our third, which is A. C to A is a third. We can do that easily. The issues in this piece of music are the fact that it's got a flat in the key signature, which is a B flat. So every time you see the note B, it needs to make sure it's a B flat and not just a B. Use the piano. Pull up a picture of the piano with the notes on Google Images. Use that to help. We've got some peculiar things going on. We've got this note here has got a flat next to it. So it's not just the note E, it's E flat. So be careful. Here we've got this little symbol, and I'll draw it a bit bigger for you. It's called a natural sign. What it means is it's B natural. In the key it should be B flat, but it's saying no, ignore the flat. I actually want you to play the note B. So here that is actually a B natural, just a B, not a B flat like it says in the key. We've got a sharp here, which means it's been raised, and we've got flats and naturals here. So there's a lot of what's called accidentals. Sharps, flats and naturals that have been put into the music that haven't been included in the key signature. This is a tricky one, guys. This one you're going to want to pay very close attention. Take every single note as it comes. For instance, this note here. This is a C sharp. Okay, C sharp. First thing, forget the sharp. We know the note C. That's number 1. Come down one time to a B. That's a second. Come down again to an A. That's a third. So C down a third is an A. But is it a minor third? Now a minor third is always 3 semitones. Okay, write that down somewhere. A minor third is 3 semitones. So, using our image of the piano, let's double check. We're looking for C sharp. Okay, here's the note C, and we raise it to the black key for C sharp. Now we need to come down 3 semitones. Here we go. This is our note, C sharp. Come down 1 semitone to C, 2 semitones to B, 3 semitones to this note here. Now what's that note called? Some of you will argue it's called B flat. But we know, excuse me, a third is A, look. C down to B down to A. That's a third. C to B is a second. So our answer cannot be B flat, but A sharp. Remember guys, the black keys have 2 names. It can either be a note that's raised, A sharp, or it can be a note that's lowered, B flat. Take your time. Definitely check your answers against each other. Remember though, it's got a flat in the key, the B flat. So any B you see is a B flat. Unless like here it's a natural where it's just a B. There are accidentals all the way through. Your job in the treble clef, transpose every note down a minor third. Such as here, C sharp down to, and as we worked out the note was A sharp. A minor third is always 3 semitones. Good luck with this one, guys. Bring your completed answer to the music performance class on Wednesday.